Amidst the current global crisis which has resulted from the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the whole world is greatly affected by it. Whenever two sides of distinct backgrounds come into some sort of dispute with each other, it can be solved through proper communication and understanding of each other's values. That is where DevOps comes into play. Communication and understanding of values is a key principle in DevOps practices. By adopting this approach, the hostility between Ukraine and Russia can be diffused. The global situation is changing rapidly. You must train yourself with the required skills, which will keep you at the top of your profession for the next 20 years or so. We have got the perfect solution for you. Visit www.alnafi.com/devops to register now and begin your journey.